we went to go take a load to Nebraska. We got caught in the blizzard, a whiteout. We doing 27 miles an hour on the highway going to Nebraska.
Look, it's some real truckers over there. They rolling. All in the hammer lane. Hammer down till it sounds expensive.
Man, you can't see nothing.
And we'll get it there.
Hey, look, y'all. We done came out here to do a load and got caught in the snow. Good Lord. I mean, it's in the streets. Bro, we stuck on the shoulder of the road. We've been here for a solid 20 minutes. We was trying to reverse back onto the highway. And then people started coming up behind us. Man, we sliding and shit. Good Lord. And it's not even cold, it's just mad snow. Oh yeah. See, man. When we left this morning at 3:30, it's mad warm, right? We get on the highway. Here come the freezing rain. And then all of a sudden it's this. It's nuts. Yo, we sliding backwards in park. We sliding backwards in park with both the trailer brake on, tractor brake. It's nuts. Man, look at these niggas, man. So we somewhere, I think 60 miles from Des Moines. Maybe like 60 more from Council Bluffs. And our load dropped somewhere in Nebraska. I think it was Platteville. We stuck. Like we really stuck. And the way that some of these niggas behind us is parked, we can't get a snowplow through. So like, help. Cause I mean, look. It's in the streets. You know how deep that is? Yeah, I already walked through there. I walked through there a few times, 2 or 3 times, and it already snowed through. It's in the streets. And I refuse to go back out there, man. My damn eyebrows froze. My nose got to leaking and my lip froze. I'd be damned if my lip ever freeze like that again. I thought that bitch was gonna break off. Good Lord, my little mustache damn near broke off in bits and pieces, falling in the snow, lost and shit. I'm not going back out there unless I have to. But yeah, help. Please help. I thought it was all funny. I thought it was funny until we got off on his shoulder. We shouldn't have got off on his shoulder. Man, and niggas keep coming. Niggas is still coming. Niggas is still coming. Help. Someone come rescue. Come to the rescue. Whether it's today, tomorrow, I don't know about sleeping in this truck. It's raining. Is that rain? It's raining. Oh yeah, we ain't never getting out of here. Alright. Oh shit, yeah, we ain't getting out of here. It went from rain to snow to rain. Within an hour or two. Man, niggas is still driving on the roads. The fuck is the wrong with them? Look at them. The fuck is the wrong with them? Help. Good Lord. Man, I done been in the truck for about 20 minutes by myself. I think Jason might have fell or some shit. But who going out there to look for him? There's heat in here, or there's a bed, water, food. What's out there? Oh, nah, I'm fucking with y'all. I'm gonna go look for him. But y'all got to hold on, cause I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't wanna fall. I'm scared. I can't even see nothing no more. Yo, and it's mad snow. I'm like it's ankle deep within the hour. Ankle deep. Shit, it might even be deeper than that now. Either way, we shouldn't have got off. Man, if we wouldn't have got off, we would have been straight. Maybe we would have been straight. Oh, there goes Jason right there. Man, I ain't even gotta get out of the car. Good Lord. Hey, it's a few hours later. We ended up getting out ourselves. We helped some people back out of the oncoming ramp because we couldn't sit there. We sat there for 2 hours and nobody came, so we got out. We started backing people out, guiding them, letting them know that they was straight to pull out. But yeah, never again. This nigga got me driving the semi. I'm terrified. I don't like it. But yeah, I felt like a real hero backing out them people, them terrified, scared, stuck people on that little oncoming ramp. I felt like a hero. But yeah, long story short, we got out. We dropped off our load. Man, I took me a little nippity nap. Got me a little sniggity snack. I couldn't do it. I had to. But yeah, we safe. Never again. I called for help. No one came, so I refused to ever get stuck in a blizzard again. But anyway, just filling y'all in, letting y'all know we straight. Everybody else is straight.